Good morning, it's Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. Man, I just wanted to take a quick video of this F-250 we were looking at. I didn't see any dings or dents on it. It's got a good set of tires all the way around it. I'll walk down the body line, let you see. You can see it needs a bath. All that comes off there. Good skins on the back as well. Did see a little wear on the lid of the tailgate here. There's one small ding right there. Walk down the other side here for you. That comes off, it's just some gunk. Let's take a look at the inside here. It does have 2 keys with it. Cloth seats. You see the driver's seat's in good shape. Does have remote start. All-weather mats. Grill's in good shape. No pitting or chips or anything. That's just some burr-do right there. Hood is in good shape. Get you look at the roof here. Roof's good. Another shot of the driver's seat here. Steering wheel's in good shape, not worn or anything. Cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, 4-wheel drive obviously. She's in good shape, man. If you got any questions, just give me a shout. Thanks for your time.